Namaste student. Our today's session is isolation of bacterial culture from air. In this we have three objectives. First is media preparation, sterilization, pouring and inoculation. Myself JV Nanchika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science from Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is microbiology lab. So in this today's session, we will study about the method of streaking plate method. So in this we all have to know what is the materials required in this practical. In this we need a source of bacteria which is stock culture, previously streaked agar plate or any other inoculum. Second is inoculation loop. Third is a striker or a lighter. Then fourth one is Bunsen burner. The next is Lysol, which is 10% volume by volume. The next is agar plate, which is that is nutrient agar or any other agar medium. Next is paper towel. So, what are the tips for best result? It is the use of only a small amount of inoculum. Next is streak lightly so that you do not gouge the agar. Next, flame the loop after you streak each quadrant. The next is make sure in surface of the plate is free of droplets of condensed moisture. Next topic is purpose of streaking. So in this first three sector streak, which is T streak. So in this first we sterilize the wire loop, then we cool the loop by touching it on the edge of the sterile agar plate. Then dip the loop into the broth culture containing the mixture of bacteria. Then lift the lid of the plate just enough to insert the loop. Drag the loop over the surface of the top 1/3 of the plate, back and forth in a zigzag formation. Then the loop has picked up thousands of bacteria which are spread out over the surface of the agar. Then sterilize the loop of the flame. Then turn the plate 90 degree and drag the loop through the area you have just streaked 2 to 3 times to and continue to drag the loop in a zigzag formation in the remaining half of the plate without touching the area again. Then sterilize the loop in a flame. Then turn the plate 90 degrees. Repeat the procedure. Drag the loop 2 to 3 times through the area you just streaked and fill the remaining area of the plate zigzag formation. Then being very careful not to touch any of the areas you previously streaked. Then incubate the plate for 24 hours. If you streak correctly, you will see isolated colonies in the third sector. Then the heaviest growth will be in the first sector. There will be less growth and some isolated colonies in the second sector. The third area should have the at least growth with isolated colonies. Second is 4 quadrate streak. In this, to produce isolated colonies of an organism, mostly bacteria, on an agar plate, this is useful when we need to separate organisms in a mixed culture to purify or isolate particular strain from contaminants, or when we need to study the colony morphology of an organism. Then to identify the organism, biochemical tests to identify bacteria are only valid when performed on pure cultures. Next we discuss procedure. All the process is done in a laminar airflow cabinet aseptically. In this, sterilize the inoculating loop in the burner by putting the loop into the flame until it is red hot. Allow it to cool. Then pick an isolated colony from the agar plate culture and spread it over the first quadrant using close parallel streak, or insert your loop into the tube culture bottle and remove some inoculum. Then immediately streak the inoculating loop very gently over a quarter of the plate using a back and forth motion. Flame the loop again and allow it to cool, going back to the edge of the area. First that you just streak extended the streak into the second quarter of the plate. Then flame the loop again and allow it to cool, going back to the area that you have just streaked. Extend the area into the center fourth of the plate. Then flame your loop once more. So next we discuss result. The result is streak plates are incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. Examine the colonies grown in the plate carefully. All colonies should have the same general appearance. If there is more than one type of colony, each type should be streaked again on a separate plate to obtain a pure culture. So, this is all about the isolation of bacteria culture from air. Thank you, student. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section.